Okay, behind me is one of the coolest downstairs I think I've ever seen on the channel. We are at a top luxury development in a fast growing part of Apex with one of my favorite builders. We've got access to killer amenities and some of the best schools that money can buy.
Hey, Ben.
Hey, Ricardo, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Enjoying the weather.
It is gorgeous. Hey, you want to check out this house? It's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
let's do it.
Okay, I'll give you the camera, sir.
All right, let's take a look real quick.
All right, come on in.
Oh, wow.
I know, right when you walk in, you've got this long hallway, which is actually super wide and spacious.
It is super wide.
Right? And just literally look at this. Just
Holy moly.
I walked in here and my jaw literally dropped.
Look at the size of that kitchen.
I know it's kind of boxy, but I don't even care because it is one of the largest downstairs floor plans I've ever seen.
Wow.
And that kitchen,
Holy.
I mean, I couldn't even count just how many drawers and cabinets there are on this one wall.
This is, I'm out of words.
At a loss for words, right?
Lost for words.
And I mean, the more I stare at this, the more in love I am because look at the size of this island. It's gorgeous. It's massive.
Gorgeous,
You've got room for all the bar stools. You know, you've got room for people to actually eat and spread out. You could be on the other side, have some dishes or do some prep work. But you don't need this for prep work because, I mean, can we just talk about the amount?
Yeah, Ben, and one thing, I mean, if you want to give like baking classes to the neighborhood kids,
hey, there you go.
I mean, you got the space to do that.
Yes, this is the house for hosting. This is a very family-friendly neighborhood. We're gonna talk more about the neighborhood as we go throughout the video. But this is the place where I'd invite all the friends, families, the neighbors over, and I might even learn to cook.
Yeah, this kitchen looks out of a magazine.
I know.
This is beautiful.
And just wait till we get to the end of the video and we start talking about the prices and incentives, because I promise you, whatever you think this house costs, it costs a lot less than you think. And if you like what you've seen so far, I'd encourage you to call the number at the bottom of the screen. You can scan that QR code or just click the link in the description. So have a time to chat with us about what it would look like to make a move into a house just like this one. We do have a pantry, of course.
All right.
Now, it's not a walk-in.
It's not a walk-in.
I don't even care because we literally just saw the most amount of storage that I think a kitchen could
Honestly,
have.
yeah, you can use some of those.
Yes,
to
for
store
sure, for
food.
sure. And I'm just playing with you. We got a second pantry.
You got a second pantry.
Doesn't have shelves yet, but that is a big enough room there, you know, using space under the stairs, that you've got two pantries side by side and then infinite storage here. And can we just talk about the size of this living room? I mean, just everything here is super massive. They've got one of the bigger L-shaped sectionals here.
Love it.
You can fit you and 10 of your friends. You can chill out and, you know, watch the game on the TV. And I mean, you've got enough wall space that you could throw up a 100-inch TV if you really wanted to.
That is true.
And the thing is, it would actually look pretty appropriate considering the size of this room.
Yep, that is true.
And I mean, the windows, we got literally 4 windows just in this corner here.
Yeah.
So much natural light coming in too.
I mean, yeah, this is top of my list, man.
Now, we've seen the other floor plans here on the channel in the same community, and so far, this is just like blowing them all away.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'd agree, but
I agree.
I'm excited to see what's upstairs. We got a few more spaces to check out downstairs, but why don't you take us outside?
I'm ready for it.
All right, give me that camera. Have at it.
All right, now moving on to the backyard. I mean, you got yourself a nice little area. I mean, I'm loving it.
Are you the McDonald's theme song?
Yeah.
But I mean, look, you got room for furniture patio. You can put a little grill here. And I know you can screen this porch in too.
Yeah, and imagine having your grill set up right here or like even over here.
Yeah.
This view to the outside.
Yes, and that is one thing that I think I love most about this community is just look how much nature there is. They've preserved so much wooded, you know, lots around here so that you're not looking and seeing your neighbor, you're looking and seeing nothing but trees.
Yeah, and obviously on this house, we're giving it a lot of flowers. But let's talk about something. Backyard, the lot size, it's limited.
Yeah, if you've got, you know, kids, dogs, trampolines, then this is going to be small. Right?
It is small. I mean, still, you got a little bit of space to do stuff. But one of the things is, and we're going to talk about it later on, the amenities that are in this community make it up.
Yes.
So
Well, and let me ask you this. Are there larger lots on some of the homes in this community?
There are larger lots. It all depends which one you get, right?
Great.
All right, Ben. So when we walked in, I noticed that we skipped something very interesting.
We did.
We skipped a room, I think.
Okay.
But I don't know what's inside.
You don't?
No. So
Well, I don't either. Let's go find out.
Let's explore a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
Man, I just want to stop and point out, like, again, look how wide this entrance is.
Benjamin, this...
Ricardo,
I love this.
You know what you have to do, right? Every video.
You want me to say it?
How tall are you really?
6'7".
Oh my gosh. All right, lay down.
6'7". All right.
Do you touch the wall?
No.
Well, yeah, if you extend your hand, of course you touch the wall.
No, I don't.
That's pretty good.
So that's like what, 6?
That's a good 6 foot
That's a good
width right
6.
there. And I feel like that's the most scientifical way to to find that out. You know, who needs a measuring tape?
So if you don't have a measuring tape, just throw yourself down.
Okay, now what's over here? Oh, I'm starting to see what's over here.
Hey.
I like this.
Look at this. It's always good and wonderful to have a bedroom on the first floor.
It's good and wonderful.
Take a look.
Now that is cute. It is small, but this is more of like your guest bedroom or your office. And I like the wainscoting they've got going on. You know, they got windows, some natural light, of course, coming in. And I mean, a pretty standard closet here. Nothing to write home about.
I think it's the right size. I mean, it's a guest bedroom.
Size. Yeah. It's not first floor living for a master, but I did happen to notice around the corner here.
Look at this.
Now that is a cute bathroom.
I love that shower.
Look at that. Gorgeous tiled in. Of course, being the model, they've got all prettied up with the wallpaper and everything, but that's not bad.
Wallpaper making a comeback.
Wallpaper is making a comeback.
All right, and just stepping out of the garage, you got yourself a mudroom.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's a good size.
Kick off my shoes and then maybe go use the bathroom.
Head to the shower
Take a little shower, yeah.
Then you walk down to the kitchen, make yourself a little snacks or 20 snacks.
I was about to say, based on the size, you got 20 snacks.
All right, so I guess it's time to go upstairs, Benjamin.
Hey, if it's anything like downstairs is, then I mean, I think I'm prepared to be blown away by upstairs.
I feel the same way, but you know, before we go, I want to tell you something. If you're thinking about relocating to Raleigh, you're watching our videos and you're like, hey, I need more information. So we made a free relocation guide for you. 2026, up to date, all about Raleigh. So you can go to RaleighNCGuide.com/2026, get your copy, or you can click the link that is on the comment section. And check it out.
I'll be sure to do that. Thank you.
All right, of course.
Now, what is upstairs? I am dying to know.
All right, so first off, loving the stairs. This is cute.
Okay.
Hey.
Well, you say cute. I was expecting tiny. I mean, that's a massive loft.
I think it's cute the way they set it up.
Okay. Yeah, I see with the wallpaper and everything. They're definitely going
looks
for...
like a kindergarten.
It looks like a little kindergarten class. Are you going to be the teacher or the kindergarten kid?
I'm looking for the Play-Doh.
Looking for the Play-Doh. Okay, so the kindergarten kid.
The kindergarten kid.
Now, it's interesting how they set this up, but I would be seeing like an L-shaped sectional, TV, but I see what they're saying, like a little games. They've got, what is this, Scrabble going on.
That's a nice
Very nice. I could enjoy a game of Scrabble maybe after we finish walking the house.
Yeah, Scrabble and coffee.
There you go.
All right, so now let's check out the bedroom. See what we've got here. All right. Hey.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Oh, whoa.
What?
There's something special about this bedroom.
Well, I'm noticing 2 lights. It's very bright in here.
No.
That's not it?
No, it is not.
Okay.
I mean, it's cool. Good size.
What are you hiding from me?
Honestly, you don't see this every day.
What
do you think is behind this door?
Well, there's a door here, so I thought it was going to be a closet.
So let's see what's behind this door.
Okay, so that's a closet. And that's a pretty good sized closet, too.
So maybe we're getting...
Now I got to know what's behind the other door.
Maybe we're getting double closet. All right, Ben. I'll show you later.
Seriously?
Yes, sir. Come over here.
All right.
You're in for a big surprise.
I imagine.
And I think in this channel, we all about surprises now.
We love our surprises.
We love surprises. Got yourself a bedroom. Good size. Put your bed, a little office space right there to make homework.
Honestly, yeah,
Not
very
bad.
nice size. And this builder does such a good job with staging. It's just so cute in here.
Oh, yeah. I mean, they sell it like this with the staging.
Yeah, I hear they're selling out a lot. And we'll talk more about like the phases and inventory, but wow, that is a big closet. Let me get the light on in here. Look at that.
That's a nice closet.
Not bad at all. Now hold up. We've got another door, and I think I'm
No, we don't have doors.
I'm starting to sniff out what's happening here, so you might as well take me in.
You're ready.
Let's go.
Let's go inside.
Yes, that's exactly what I was
man.
hoping it was.
This
nice
is
tiled-in shower.
Yeah. Double vanity.
Woo. I really like
Got a
this.
spacious throne room.
And I love that it connects to both bedrooms.
Connects to both bedrooms.
We've got light coming in.
Mm-hmm.
This is very, very nice.
It's very nice, and I mean, the only thing is that there's no separation between like the vanities, throne room, or the
if they had like a
shower.
divider door, so it could have been
That would've been
separate. But
ideal.
honestly, I'd be happy with
Yeah.
either this bedroom or that bedroom. And not only do they have the bath there, but they have immediate access to kind of their own little loft up here. Okay.
Take a look at this. You got yourself
No
another
way.
bathroom.
Okay, I actually did not see that coming.
And this is the one we were asking for.
Double sink vanity, and we've got the divider wall.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
That's all you need.
Look at that tiled-in shower. Obviously, they've got the tub on the bottom. I'd love if it was like more of a walk-in, but
Yeah.
sometimes people like tubs too.
So that was amazing. And take a little look-see over here to the laundry room.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I do like kind of the separated sink there. And I mean, you get a little storage in or something up
Yeah,
there.
it's good.
Not too bad.
You got some moving room.
Okay. And we
All
still
right.
got more bedrooms. Man, this house is large.
All right, Benjamin, let's take a look at this one right here.
Okay.
So this one would be another bedroom, sort of similar.
Yeah, still good size in
Still
here.
good size.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I got self walk-in
Got a
closet.
nice walk-in. Oh,
Same
yeah.
as the others.
Honestly, it might even be just a little bit bigger. It's hard to
little bit.
tell, but not bad closet sizes. Every single bedroom here.
Yeah. Yep.
I don't think there's a least favorite child. Although this is the one that doesn't have a bathroom connected to it, so.
All right, let's do this.
All right.
This I love, Ben.
Holy smokes.
This I love.
Wow, look at that ceiling.
That ceiling is.
Oh my gosh. That is actually gorgeous.
I love the designs they use in this area. I mean, this houses.
And like, look at all the natural light coming in. And the fact that you look out your window and all you see is nothing but trees. Imagine waking up every morning and seeing that view. And I mean, look how big that bed is.
I mean, you can even set up something else over here. You got a lot of space.
You have
left
room for like
still.
little chairs or something
Little
if you want
chairs.
to. You got, or two dressers.
Yeah. You could take out that nightstand. Just put yourself a little chair.
I could sit here and read a book. I don't really read
Yeah.
books. My wife does, but
Yeah.
I could see myself reading books in the morning, just enjoying the view.
Yeah. You get sunlight from each direction.
Yep.
So it's like, yeah, I mean,
Not bad at all.
one of my favorite places.
Well, I'd hope so. You have to sleep here.
One of my favorite places would be the bathroom.
Ah.
Look, this bathroom is nice.
This is very nice.
This is very nice.
Of course, we got the double sink vanity.
Looks clean,
tiled-in
pristine.
floor, same tile on the ceiling, and that's a pretty good sized shower too.
Yeah, I mean, no complaints.
And it is a walk-in. That is definitely
Yeah.
a must.
You got yourself a little linen closet.
Okay.
One thing that we always love is the throne room.
Yes, sir. Little room.
Plenty of
Shut
leg
the
space.
door. Yeah.
Important.
Like that.
And walk-in closet.
Always a must.
Always a must.
I mean, it's a pretty good size. I'd say it's
Yeah.
medium size. We've
Medium
seen larger
size.
and we've seen smaller.
Yeah, definitely. But I think it goes well with the house.
Okay, honestly, after seeing downstairs, my expectations were really, really high for upstairs. And for the most part, I would say it did not disappoint.
It did not disappoint. Still, my favorite place from this house is the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
Hence,
without a doubt.
yeah.
I mean, this whole downstairs area, I mean, I would be hanging out in the living room, watching Netflix. I'd be cooking in the kitchen, you know, teaching the neighborhood, apparently.
Teaching the neighborhood.
Now, we kind of hinted at the builder and the community. This is in a top growing part of Apex.
It is.
Now, we are on the west side of Apex, right?
Yes, we're the west side of Apex, and we're at MI Homes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. Great builder. Very, very fun to work with. Most of their communities are semi-custom where you can actually make customizations. Now, up front with this community, you don't have customizations. You just have different options for every single house, right?
That is good in some cases because the price you see, the house you see, that is the price.
Yes, so like when we say the price for this house, that is including, you know, you don't have to worry about a lot premium. You don't have to worry about getting nickel and dimed at the design center, right? Like if I say it's X number, that's exactly what this house costs.
Exactly. Okay. Being on the west side of Apex, there's a lot of new communities, a lot of new construction happening on this side.
It's blowing up, isn't it?
It's blowing up. I mean, very family oriented. I mean, this is an area of top rated schools.
Oh yeah, that's probably the biggest reason people move to Apex.
Yeah, so I mean, and you have quick access to like parks, to like a 20-minute drive to one of the biggest lakes here in close to Raleigh. So I mean, you have plenty of outdoor activities that draws a lot of people too.
Now I know that here the HOA, the fees are pretty good. It's around $105 a month, right?
Yeah, I mean,
and they've got really good amenities.
They do. I mean, amenities from community centers, dog parks. I mean, you got a pool. You got there's something that was kind of
the pollinator garden.
Pollinator.
I think it's kind of like a butterfly garden. Yeah. But they've got all these things. They've got trails and, like you said, access to all the nearby stuff. If you want like shopping and dining, you're within minutes from brand new retail centers. You're from Costco and Publix and, you know, all the daily necessities that you would want. And we're so close to Cary that all the appeal of, you know, Cary with having these nice amenities and, you know, having all these places to go to, it's right at your feet.
It's right at your feet, and you still have like the RTP Research Triangle Park. You have the airport around like 25 minutes, 30 minutes.
Not bad. So my commute is going to be under 30 minutes here.
It's going to be under 30 minutes.
Whether I'm going to downtown, the airport, or going to, you know, Cisco or Lenovo or IBM and a lot of those employers.
And I would add, if you're comparing it to Cary, I would add like 10 minutes. That's it.
That's not bad
That's
at all.
not bad.
Now this house, I can say confidently, this house would be probably over $1 million brand new in Cary, correct?
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, look at this.
Yeah, I know. So I really want to know the price. Before we do that, friendly reminder, if you are wanting to make the move here and you want to find a house like this one, get the most updated information on rates, incentives, prices, or find another community similar, call the number at the bottom of the screen or click the link in the description. Set up a time to chat with our team. We would love the opportunity to meet you. Now, what is the price on this house?
All right, you ready?
I am ready. I'm very excited.
All right. So it's $730,000.
No kidding.
Yeah, 730.
So for $730 to get a house with this kind of kitchen, that blows my mind.
And I mean, it's understandable. It's a high price. It's $700,000. But I mean, if you look at it like future perspective, like 5-10 years from now, the growth we've seen Raleigh, Cary, I mean.
Not to mention, even within Apex, to find a resale home, a home that's already built, the average price point is already in the 600,000s. Yeah. So this is honestly, in that perspective, a modest boost in price.
It is. So this will blow your mind.
Okay.
Yeah. So currently they're running an incentive of a 2-1 buy down.
All right.
So first year, Ben, they're doing 2.75 interest rate.
Oh my gosh.
275 the first year.
That's a massive
Second
drop.
year, 475. Still way lower than the actual price. And of course, after the second year, you go like
then
to
you're back.
You're back to the rates.
Okay.
But it gives you the opportunity to save tons of money the first year, especially, and then still the second years.
That's honestly making an even bigger difference than I thought it would, because I ran the numbers with the numbers that you gave me, and we went into the sales office today. So this is the most updated information as of this morning. Again, we always encourage that you reach out if you want to stay on top of that. But at 6.5%, which is kind of the market rate, your monthly payment is going to be $4,600 a month.
Okay.
Again, for the house, honestly, it's not bad, but when we factor in that 2.75%,
what is it?
It is $3,200.
Oh.
You are saving $1,400 a month in year one over 12 months, and that's all interest.
Wow.
That is mind-boggling.
Yeah, I mean,
even when we go to year two, you're still at $3,900 a month. So you're still saving like $600 a month.
Yeah, I mean, it's...
Over the course of 2 years, you are literally saving tens of thousands of dollars.
Yeah. I mean, that could be a saving. You can put that money into your kids, into relocating, into buying furniture, into so many things.
Yes, and this specific floor plan, it is my favorite here in the community. I think I can say that at this point.
Yeah.
But they do have a wide range of floor plans, many of which we've toured here on the channel. Make sure you check that out after this one. We'll link it in the video card. So again, I encourage you to reach out at the number below when you're ready. In the meantime, check out one of these other models that we walked here in the community. I really think you're gonna love it.